Okay, so yes, this is a lot better. Pulling the bar from the floor so your back angle stays constant. So if that line is your back angle, this is what we're looking for. When the bar gets to your knees, that back angle there should then match that same as you're pulling from the floor, which happens. The one thing now to go along with this is your weight transfer. So in the bottom here, this is a really good pulling position, but your shoulders are pretty much directly over the bar, and it'd be better if you can get your shoulders a little bit in front of the bar and get the weight on the balls of your feet. So weight, when you pull the bar initially off the floor, should be in the balls of your feet. Go from the balls of your feet and transfer the weight to your heels as the bar lifts off the floor. So you can really see that when the bar goes from the floor to your knees, it's a really straight bar path. And then what happens is the bar isn't moving back enough. This is a light enough weight that you can then start to pull the bar back into your hips, but it still gets to your hips a little bit too far in front. And that's from your pull from the floor. So you've fixed the first thing that's important, and that's spine angle. And now it's about fixing the weight transfer from pulling the bar off the floor. So you should be thinking about weight in the balls of the feet, pull the bar up to your knees like you're doing, but make a transfer. The bar should track or travel backwards, or almost, I don't want to say sweep because then it kind of gets a funny motion in there, but the bar should move back. It should be a clear path of where the bar moves from there to back off of the floor. There we go, that's better. You can really see how it kind of moves straight up. All right, what that's going to do is it's going to get the bar into you a little bit better. So when you set up with your shoulders just in front of the bar, and the bar over the knuckle of your big toe. So you should have probably like, I don't know, 1.5 inches or 2 inches between the barbell and your shins, and making sure that your shoulders are in front of the bar. That's way better pulling off the floor, and just by doing that, you're going to be much more consistent. So shoot another one for me with a lighter weight and really focus on that same spine angle and weight transfer. We'll watch the full lift in slow-mo. That's slow-mo? No, that's full speed. We'll watch it again in slow-mo. It's better, much better.